Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft error code. Error servers are down easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. All you need to do first, just type here device manager and click on it. After that, go to network adapters. Now right click on first adapter here and on first driver here and click update driver and click search automatically for drivers and then close it. Now the next one by one into the last one here, and that's it. Update all of those. After that, open file explorer, go to this PC, your local disk, and then Windows. Scroll down until you find system32, click on it, type here etc, click enter. Now click on it and then cut this folder, create a new folder on your desktop and name it backup, then click on it, right click on it and click paste, and now just save it here just for backup if you need it. And that's it. Now your problem must be fixed. I hope that can help you, and see you in the next video.